Exploring Ljubljana in 3 days, a comprehensive guide. Day 1. Historic Ljubljana and cultural highlights. Morning. Discovering the Old Town. 1. Prešeren Square. Start your exploration at Prešeren Square, the heart of Ljubljana's Old Town. Named after Slovenia's greatest poet, Franz Prešeren, the square is surrounded by beautiful architecture, including the pink Franciscan Church of the Annunciation. Take a moment to admire the statue of Prešeren and the bustling atmosphere of this central location. 2. Triple Bridge, Tromostovje. Adjacent to Prešeren Square is the iconic Triple Bridge, designed by the famous Slovenian architect Jos Plečnik. This unique architectural feature consists of 3 bridges spanning the Ljubljanica River, connecting the historical and modern parts of the city. Walk across the bridges and enjoy the views of the river and the charming buildings along its banks. 3. Ljubljana Castle. Head up to Ljubljana Castle, perched on a hill overlooking the city. You can either take a leisurely walk up the hill or ride the funicular for a small fee. Once at the top, explore the castle's various attractions, including the Watchtower, the Chapel of St. George, and the Virtual Castle Interactive Exhibition. Don't forget to take in the panoramic views of Ljubljana from the castle's terrace. Afternoon, cultural exploration. 4. Central Market, Ljubljanska tržnica. Descend from the castle and visit the Central Market, located in the heart of the city. This vibrant market offers a wide range of fresh produce, local delicacies, and handmade crafts. It's a great place to sample traditional Slovenian foods such as potica, a rolled pastry, and kranjska klobasa, Carniolan sausage. 5. Dragon Bridge, Zmajski Most. After exploring the market, head to Dragon Bridge, one of Ljubljana's most famous landmarks. The bridge is adorned with 4 dragon statues, which have become symbols of the city. Legend has it that Jason and the Argonauts killed a dragon in the Ljubljanica River, and these statues commemorate that myth. 6. National Gallery, Narodno galerija. Spend the afternoon at the National Gallery, which houses Slovenia's largest collection of fine art. The museum's exhibits span from the medieval period to the 20th century, showcasing works by Slovenian and European artists. Highlights include the Baroque altarpieces and the collection of Impressionist paintings. Evening, traditional Slovenian dinner. 7. Dinner at a traditional restaurant. For dinner, choose a traditional Slovenian restaurant in the Old Town. Enjoy a meal featuring local specialties such as strukelji, rolled dumplings, and jilikrofi, potato-filled dumplings. Pair your meal with a glass of Slovenian wine or a local craft beer. Day 2. Art, Architecture, and Nature. Morning, Architectural Wonders. 1. Plečnik House, Plečnikova hiša. Start your day with a visit to the Plečnik House, the former residence of Jos Plečnik, one of Slovenia's most renowned architects. The house is now a museum dedicated to his life and work. Explore the exhibits to gain insight into Plečnik's architectural philosophy and see his original furniture and personal items. 2. Tivoli Park. Next, head to Tivoli Park, Ljubljana's largest and most beautiful green space. Stroll through the park's landscaped gardens, tree-lined avenues, and open meadows. Visit Tivoli Mansion, which houses the International Center of Graphic Arts, and explore its rotating exhibitions. Afternoon, Modern and Contemporary Art. 3. Metelkovo Mesto. In the afternoon, visit Metelkovo Mesto, a former military barracks turned into an alternative cultural center. This vibrant area is covered in colorful street art and graffiti and hosts a variety of art galleries, studios, and live music venues. Take your time to explore the eclectic artworks and soak in the creative atmosphere. 4. Museum of Modern Art, Moderna galerija. Continue your art exploration at the Museum of Modern Art, located near Tivoli Park. The museum's collection focuses on 20th and 21st century Slovenian and international art, featuring works by prominent artists such as Zoran Muzic and Avgust Cernigoj. The museum also hosts temporary exhibitions and contemporary art events. Evening, Ljubljana by night. 5. Ljubljana's riverside. In the evening, take a leisurely stroll along the Ljubljanica River. The riverbanks are lined with charming cafes, bars, and restaurants, providing a perfect setting for a relaxed evening. Stop for a drink or a light snack and enjoy the lively ambience of the city at night. 6. Nightlife in Metelkova. For those looking to experience Ljubljana's nightlife, head back to Metelkova Mesto. This cultural center comes alive at night with live music, DJ sets, and performances. It's a great place to immerse yourself in the local alternative scene and meet fellow travelers and locals. Day 3. Day trips and local experiences. Morning. Day trip to Lake Bled. 1. Lake Bled. On your final day, take a day trip to Lake Bled, one of Slovenia's most picturesque destinations. Located about an hour's drive from Ljubljana, Lake Bled is famous for its emerald green waters, charming island, and medieval castle perched on a cliff. Rent a rowboat or take a traditional Pletna boat to visit Bled Island and its beautiful church. 2. Bled Castle. Visit Bled Castle, which offers breathtaking views of the lake and the surrounding Alps. The castle features a museum, a chapel, and a wine cellar where you can taste local wines. Explore the castle grounds and learn about the history and legends associated with this fairy tale location. Afternoon, local cuisine and relaxation. 3. Lunch at a local restaurant. After exploring Lake Bled, enjoy lunch at one of the lakeside restaurants. Try local dishes such as Blizka Kremna Rezina, Bled cream cake, a delicious dessert that originated in this region. The combination of scenic views and tasty food makes for a memorable dining experience. 4. Vintagar Gorge, optional. If you have time, visit Vintagar Gorge, located a short drive from Lake Bled. This stunning natural attraction features a wooden boardwalk that winds through the gorge, offering spectacular views of waterfalls, pools, and rapids. The walk is relatively easy and takes about an hour. Evening, return to Ljubljana and farewell dinner. 5. Return to Ljubljana. Return to Ljubljana in the late afternoon and take some time to relax at your accommodation. Freshen up before heading out for your final dinner in the city. 6. Farewell dinner at a fine dining restaurant. For your farewell dinner, choose a fine dining restaurant in Ljubljana that offers a fusion of traditional Slovenian and modern cuisine. Enjoy a multi-course meal paired with exquisite Slovenian wines, and reflect on the wonderful experiences you've had over the past 3 days. Additional tips for your visit to Ljubljana. Accommodation. Ljubljana offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget-friendly hostels and charming guest houses. Staying in the city center or the old town will provide easy access to major attractions and a vibrant atmosphere. Transportation. Ljubljana is a compact and walkable city, making it easy to explore on foot. The city also has an efficient public transportation system, including buses and bike-sharing services. For day trips, consider renting a car or using public transportation. Language and currency. The official language in Ljubljana is Slovenian, but many people speak English, especially in tourist areas. The currency is the euro, EUR. Credit cards are widely accepted, but it's a good idea to carry some cash for smaller establishments and markets. Safety and etiquette. Ljubljana is a safe city for tourists, but it's always wise to take common precautions such as keeping an eye on your belongings and avoiding poorly lit areas at night. Slovenian people are friendly and welcoming, so don't hesitate to ask for help or recommendations. Local cuisine. Slovenian cuisine is diverse and influenced by various regional traditions. Be sure to try local specialties such as ganji, buckwheat mush, jota, sauerkraut stew, and potica, rolled pastry with various fillings. Visit local markets and bakeries for fresh produce and baked goods. Events and festivals. Ljubljana hosts numerous events and festivals throughout the year, from music and film festivals to food and cultural celebrations. Check the local event calendar to see if any festivals coincide with your visit. Day-by-day itinerary summary. Day 1. Historic Ljubljana and cultural highlights. Morning. Prešeren Square, Triple Bridge, Ljubljana Castle. Afternoon. Central Market, Dragon Bridge, National Gallery. Evening. Traditional Slovenian dinner. Day 2. Art, architecture, and nature. Morning. Plecnik House, Tivoli Park. Afternoon. Metelkova Mesto, Museum of Modern Art. Evening. Ljubljana's Riverside, nightlife in Metelkova. Day 3. Day trips and local experiences. Morning. Day trip to Lake Bled, Bled Island, Bled Castle. Afternoon. Lunch at a local restaurant, optional visit to Vintagal Gorge. Evening. Return to Ljubljana, farewell dinner at a fine dining restaurant. This comprehensive guide covers the must-see attractions and experiences in Ljubljana over 3 days. From exploring historic landmarks and cultural sites to enjoying the city's parks and vibrant nightlife, you'll get a taste of everything this charming capital has to offer. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply looking to experience Slovenian culture, Ljubljana is sure to leave a lasting impression.